Setting sail on the vast oceans of our planet, every port and coastline holds a tale, an adventure, or a dream waiting to reveal itself. Yet the journey to these enchanting destinations often begins long before the anchor is lifted. It commences at home, with a dream, an idea, and yes, a plan. But how do you turn that spark of wanderlust into a tangible, exhilarating, and seamless travel experience? That's the voyage we embark on today. Welcome back, friends, as we set sail on the next episode of our travel series. Are you ready to chart your course toward an unforgettable adventure? Let's begin. In our last video, we focused on putting together a financial plan to get you from your dream to your destination. Now let's talk about what happens when you get there. Creating a well-balanced itinerary is both an art and a science. It's about capturing the essence of your destination while ensuring you have enough time to truly enjoy and immerse yourself in each experience. Every destination has its icons. Start by listing out the places and experiences that drew you to this destination in the first place. This forms the backbone of your itinerary. While it's tempting to pack in all of the famous sites, make sure you also include a variety of activities. Think a morning at the museum, or an afternoon at a local market, or an evening at the beach. Leave gaps in your plan. This free time allows you to explore spontaneous adventures, rest, or delve deeper into something you've discovered. We're not quite at the flying card stage. Remember, moving between locations takes time. Always account for the travel time between different sites. Plus, schedule some downtime. After all, vacations are also for relaxation. Research local events, workshops, or festivals happening during your stay. Participating in these can give you a unique and authentic experience of the local culture. While it's good to have a plan, be prepared to shuffle things around based on weather, your mood, or new discoveries. Exploration doesn't have to end when the sun goes down. Check out local nightlife, evening shows, or simply enjoy a night walk in a safe and recommended area. Some of the greatest adventures can be found under the twinkling lights of the night sky. Before you finalize your itinerary, it's always a good idea to check out reviews and ratings. This can give you insights on the best times to visit certain attractions, how much time to spend there, or even some hidden gems nearby. Crafting a thoughtful itinerary ensures you get the most out of your trip. It acts as a guiding path. But remember, detours always often lead to the most beautiful destinations. Now that you've painted a beautiful portrait of your journey, it's time to build a sturdy frame to hold it in place. See you in the next video, and travel well, friends.